What's up, everybody? It's Fab Casso bringing you another do-it-yourselfer. This time I will be using, it's not a hydro dip, I'm going to be using some glitter. And what I'm going to be doing is, I already have the shoe taped up, but glitterizing a Shadow 1. And I'm going to show y'all step by step on how to do that. Alright, so first you're going to need is your products. Tape to tape the sneaker off, acetone or a nail polish remover just to wipe down the whole sneaker first to get rid of that factory coat. Next, E6000 spray adhesive, Mod Podge, and I use the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, just a little extra protection for just in case the sneaker gets wet. Next, glitter. The colors I have, of course, are black and silver, just because I'm doing a black and silver sneaker. And that's all you're gonna need supply wise for this do-it-yourselfer. Alright, so since my sneaker's already taped off and acetone down, the first thing I'm gonna do is spray the sneaker with the E6000. So what I'm gonna do, nice and easy, is spray all over the sneaker. Alright, so just spray the sneaker. Nice and easy, just like that. Then what you're gonna do now is the glitter that you have, just pour it over the sneaker on the parts that you just put glue at. One second. Just like that. Okay, once you finish one side, you're just gonna go around the sneaker and repeat that process. So I'll be right back when I finish the other side of the sneaker. Okay, I laid the first coat all around, so now you can knock off the excess. I just use a piece of paper so I could put it back into the tube of glitter so I can have more glitter in the long run. But this is going to be the first coat. I'm going to have this sit probably like a day. The longer you have it sit, the better, because it has more time to adhere to the sneaker. So yeah, when this is fully dry, we can start the next process. Alright, so the next step is going to be taking all the tape off of the sneaker to expose the gray on it, since the black is dry. So I'm gonna take this off. You don't have to see me taking it off, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this part's gonna be a little different. Instead of just spraying this all over the gray section, I'm gonna take the lid off and pretty much paint this onto the gray sections with just a paintbrush that I really don't care about. Because if you retape this area off, when you peel the tape off, the glitter's gonna come off with it, because we didn't seal it in yet. So, like I said, then I'm just gonna dip the brush in here and just paint it on. Alright, since I painted the whole toe box, what I'm gonna do now is just sprinkle the glitter onto the toe box. And after that, I'm just gonna knock off the extra glitter, just like that. Now I'm gonna do the same process around the rest of the sneaker. Only thing I'm not going to put the glue over is the Wings logo, because I want that to shine through on the sneaker. Alright, as you can see, I don't know if you can tell from the camera or not, but the gray has been laid. There we go, that might be a little better. The gray has been laid. So what I'm going to do now to seal everything in is use a concoction of Mod Podge, and that's Mod Podge, and the glitter, so whatever color. So I have Mod Podge and black here, and I have this silver concoction right here. So what we're gonna do with that, of course, use the paintbrush you don't care about, and I'll start with black. Just like if you're painting anything, you're going to want to paint over the sections. Let me center that. Just like that. What I'm going to do with this is do a couple coats of each color, or until I feel like it's satisfied. Probably just 2 coats of black, 2 coats of the silver. Let it shine out there or dry out there in the sun, and lace them up, then show you guys the final product. So be right back. So there you have it. The glitter's all laid. Hopefully it's showing up well on camera, but in person, trust and believe that they're looking fine. Real fine, especially when the light hits them. Alright, so while I was editing the video, completely forgot to shoot an outro. So here it is. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all thought of this custom. Got another one coming very, very, very soon. You can see more pictures of the actual sneaker at my Instagram. That is the same as my YouTube. That is at Fabcacc, all one word, F-A-B-A-C-C. Damn, I can't even spell my own name. That was my reset. That is all one word at F-A-B-C-A-S-S-O. Wow, I am bugging, but yeah. Until next time, peace. Hold on, I got something else to show y'all real quick. Coming soon. Some Dragon Ball Z Air Maxes on Z-Way.